Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Tyro Investing here with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about LYFT, ticker symbol LYFT. I opened a position in this personally last week, late last week. Specifically, let me look it up exactly. I have $22 calls and I have them for January 16th, 2026. So they're a little over 2 months out. I like to give myself some time on it now. What am I seeing that made me like it? So first, let's get into the chart. I really like this pennant that's forming here. And I really like over the last couple weeks, you've been seeing strong reactions whenever it gets towards its 50 EMA. We saw it go down all the way here to below 19, ended up closing well above the 50. So that's a nice reaction there. Didn't quite hit it here, but still, nice reaction there. Didn't quite hit it here, just below it, but nice reaction there. And then on Friday, its candle closed above the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA. So really good bullish action heading into the end of the week. They have earnings coming up on November 5th. So it's consolidating nicely before earnings. Previously, since its last earnings, it was trading around below $14. And since its last earnings, it's had a really nice run up here. Um, I just like this pennant that's forming nice consolidation. Um, I like that Friday it traded above both the 9 and 21 EMA. And realistically, we had a crossover of the 9 EMA here going below the 21 EMA. My my prediction, a cut here would be pretty easy for me. If we close below the 50 EMA, which is at about 1950 right now, I would get out, take it as a loss, move on. Um, but I like this consolidating. It caught up after this massive move to the 50 EMA. Now it's basically using it as support. Um, and one other thing I wanted to show that kind of aligns with my thesis, we saw some really bullish flow come in to lift late last week, and it's pretty short dated. It's for basically right after its earnings. So who's ever making this bet is betting on bullish earnings, basically. Now, when you're looking at flow, you can't really take it as gospel. You have to kind of figure out on your own, okay, what do I think this is? So yeah, I personally see flow, and then I see kind of how it matches up with the stock chart. That's personally how I like to use it. So when I saw that flow, I was looking at Lyft, and I'm like, I really like this setup here. I like that it's earnings, but me personally, I give myself all the way through November, December, and midway through March on these calls. So basically, I'm going to see what happens after its earnings. Like I said, I'm personally using this 50 EMA as my risk. If it closes below that on the daily, I'll be out. I'll cut it for a loss. But honestly, I think we could see some sort of move here where I think, maybe we consolidate in here until earnings. Maybe we break out before earnings. We'll see. I'll keep monitoring it, obviously. But, I could see something here. And if it were to break out, which is why I bought $22 calls. I think we could see it test this trend line. And who knows, if it has really good earnings, it could break out even more. But I really like how this is setting up. If anybody else is playing this, let me know in the comments. What do you guys think of Lyft? And yeah, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do so. I'm going to keep coming out with more videos. Thank y'all. See you at the next one.